How to change your ChatGPT model. So first you want to open up your browser and head to chatgpt.com, or you can open up the application on your mobile device and make sure you're signed into your account, and also make sure you have a active subscription or active paid plan on ChatGPT. Otherwise, you might not be able to customize or change the model as much. So as you can see right here, this is a free account and it pretty much doesn't allow you to change the model. You can tell it to think or not, but if I open up my paid plan ChatGPT right here, let me see. As you can see right here, I am allowed to change the model. So you should find a drop down at the bottom here where you write your prompts on a new conversation, where you can click on the drop down and select the models. For example, GPT 5.5 Legacy, or you can choose 5.6 Luna, Terra, or Sol. And you can choose the effort, whether it's light, medium, high, extra high, max. And you can also choose the speed, whether standard for default usage or fast, which consumes as much more usage. And then you can type your prompt. Now also at the top here, you should find chat and work. So switching between them might change this. And this will look like that for the chat. So you can increase whether you want it to be faster or smarter. And there is an advanced section here where you can click on it to expand it and switch the model. And this one has different model for the chat: 5.6 Sol, 5.5 the legacy, and O3. And then you can select the effort from here under it. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.